If you want to embed a SurveyMonkey survey directly into your website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open your survey, create a website collector, get the embed code, and then add it to your site so visitors can respond without ever leaving the page. This is a great way to increase responses, improve user experience, and keep your survey right where your audience is already browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. All right, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the survey that you want to embed on your website. Make sure you've selected the correct survey before moving forward, because the embed code you generate will be tied to that specific survey. Next, look for the option to publish your survey. In SurveyMonkey, this is where you manage the different ways people can access and complete your form. Click on Publish Survey to open the distribution settings. This area is important because it lets you control how your survey is shared and collected. Now, click Add New Collector. A collector is basically the method SurveyMonkey uses to gather responses, and for embedding on a website, you need the correct collector type. From the available options, choose Website. This tells SurveyMonkey that you want the survey to appear on a web page rather than being sent by email or shared with a link. After that, click Embedded Survey. This is the option that generates the code you need to place the survey directly into your site. SurveyMonkey will prepare the embed settings and give you the code snippet for the survey. Take a moment to review any available display options if they appear, such as sizing or layout, so the survey fits nicely inside your page. Once everything looks good, copy the code provided by SurveyMonkey. This is the embed code you'll use on your website. Depending on what website platform you're using, you may need to paste that code into an HTML block, a custom code section, or the page source of your site. If you're using a website builder, look for a section that allows you to add embedded HTML or custom scripts. After pasting the code, save or publish your web page. Then open the page in a browser and test the survey to make sure it loads correctly. If the survey doesn't display right away, double-check that you pasted the full code and that your site allows embedded content. In many cases, refreshing the page or checking the page permissions solves the issue quickly. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed a SurveyMonkey survey in a website using the website collector and embedded survey option. This is a simple but powerful way to collect feedback, run polls, or gather responses right on your own site. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.